प्रिय छात्राः, नमस्ते। सर्वे कुशलिनः इति चिन्तयामि। भवन्तः सर्वे सम्यक् रीत्या अध्ययनं कुर्वन्तः सन्ति इति चिन्तयामि। पश्यन्तु, गतकक्षायां समासस्य विषये किञ्चित् अध्ययनं कृतवन्तः। अद्य किञ्चित् अग्रे गच्छामः। टुडे विल् गो लिटिल फॉरवर्ड। पश्यतु, यदा वयं समाजं पश्यामः तत्र बहुविधविचाराः भवन्ति एव। यदा तत्र संस्कृतविषये किञ्चित् चिन्तयामः तदा वयं चिन्तयामः संस्कृतसाहित्यं। तत्र प्रथमम् आगच्छति वेदाः, तदनन्तरं वेदाङ्गाः। वेदाङ्गानां मध्ये एकः विभागः अस्ति, तदेव ज्योतिषम् इति। आङ्ग्लभाषायाम् एस्ट्रालजि इति वदामः। यदा ज्योतिषम् इति शब्दं शृण्मः तदा चिन्तयामः, आम्, भविष्यद्विषये किञ्चित् वदति इति। आम्, एकः ज्योतिष्कः भवति। ಒಬ್ಬ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವವರಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವವರಿರ್ತಾರೆ. तद्विषये एव अस्माकं नूतनपाठः अस्ति। अस्तु, पाठस्य नाम एव बहु सुन्दरम् अस्ति, तदेव ज्योतिषकस्य दिनम्। अस्माकं सप्तमपाठः अस्ति। पश्यतु, तत्र अनूदिता कथा इति अस्ति। अनूदितकथा नाम किं? वाट् इस् द मीनिङ्ग् आफ् अनूदितकथा? अनूदितकथा नाम ट्रान्स्लेटेड् स्टोरी। पीठिकांशं पश्यामः। सुप्रसिद्धः आङ्ग्लभाषालेखकः पद्मश्री डॉक्टर R.K. नारायण महाभागेन विरचितम् एन् एस्ट्रालजर्स् डे इति लघुकथा अत्र संक्षिप्तरूपेण स्वीकृता। One wrote a story named as an astrologer's day. Who wrote? Padmashri Dr. R.K. Narayan. That one only. Shortly they took. Actually, little long story was there. Here they have given little short form. अस्याः कथायाः संस्कृतानुवादकः श्री अविनाशवर्णः महाभागः. That same story translated by whom? ಅವಿನಾಶವರ್ಣ. ಆ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಅವಿನಾಶವರ್ಣ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥವರು ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ನಿಂದ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಕ್ಕೆ ಅನುವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಂಭಾಷಣ ಸಂದೇಶः इति संस्कृतमासपत्रिकायाम् एषा कथा प्रकटिता वर्तते. Same story published in a magazine called as Sambhashana Sandesha. Yes, that is Sanskrit monthly magazine. Monthly it will come. That's why they mentioned October 2010. Yes, this story published. Prakatita. ಇದನ್ನು ಈ ಸ್ಟೋರಿಯನ್ನು ಈ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುವಾದ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಆ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಕಥೆಯನ್ನು ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಸಂಭಾಷಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತ ಮಾಸಿಕ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪ್ರತ್ಯಕ್ಷಂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಂ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಂ. ज्योतिषशास्त्र. ज्योतिषशास्त्र नाम a knowledge of jyoti, light. That is pratyaksha, that is truth, that is proofful. Everywhere proof will get. ukti anusarena bharatiya jyotishashastram vaijnanikam asti. In this way, Indian astrology is a very, very scientific one. They will tell at this time solar eclipse or lunar eclipse going to happen. Same time it is going to happen. Yes? ज्योतिषस्य लेशमपि अजान्तः भावः डाम्भिकः ज्योतिषिकः कथं जनान् वञ्चयति इत्यत्र कथारूपेण चित्रितम् अस्ति. ज्योतिषस्य लेशमपि अजानन्तः. अजानन्तः नाम unknowing person. Yes? ಏನೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದಂತಹ. ಎಂಥದ್ದು? ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಸ್ಯ ಲೇಷಮಪಿ ಆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ ಅಂತ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಾಸ್ತ್ರ ಹೇಳುವಂಥದ್ದೊಂದು ಅದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಅಂಶ ಕೂಡ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಹವಹ ಡಾಂಭಿಕಾಹ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಕಃ. ಸಿ adjectives, bahavaha dambhikaha, yes, so many that luxurious, yes, jyotishika astrologer katham janan vanchayanti, how they cheat the people iti atra katharupena, like that one here told in a story. Okay, now it will start. ಕೆಲವರು ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಕರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಳ್ಳೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ ಆದರೂ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮಾಡುವುದನ್ನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಥೆ ರೂಪದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ತತ್ಪಶ್ಯ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನಮಿವ ತಸ್ಮಿನ್ನಪಿ ದಿನೇ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಂ ಆಸಾದ್ಯ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಿಕಃ ಸ್ಯೂತಂ ಉದ್ಘಾಟ್ಯ ಕಾರ್ಯೋಪಕರಣಾನಿ ಪುರತಃ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿತವಾನ್. Every day how it is happening like that only. That same astrologer came for his place where he is telling bhavishya. At what time? Dine madhyane. Afternoon he came. Yes, sat. Karyakshetram asadya. Came near to that working place and sat. Yes, jyotishakaha syutam. He saw the bag. He opened that bag. Yes, udghati after opening. Karyopakarnani puratah stapitavan. Karya upakarnani, instruments to do the work, that and all he removed and kept in front of him. ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷ್ಕ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ, ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಬಂದು ಒಂದು ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಕೂತು ಅವನ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ. ತಾನಿ ಕೇಚನ ಕಬರ್ದಾಹ ತಾಲಪತ್ರಾಣಾಂ ಬಂಧಶ್ಚ. ಏನಾಯಿತು, ತಾನಿ ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಉಪಕರಣ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ತಾಲಾಪತ್ರ, ಪಾಮ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್, ಕಪರ್ದಾಹ ಕಬಡೆ, ಬಂಧಶ್ಚ ಹಗ್ಗ ಕಟ್ಟಿದಂಥ ವಸ್ತುಗಳು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ. ಆಯ್ತಾ. ವಿಪಣಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಸ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವೇ ಸ್ಥಿತಸ್ಯ ವಟವೃಕ್ಷಸ್ಯ ಛಾಯಾಂ ಉಪವಿಶ್ಯ ಸಹ ಗ್ರಾಹಕಾನ್ ಪ್ರತೀಕ್ಷತೆ. ವಿಪಣಿ ಮಾರ್ಗಸ್ಯ ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವೇ, ವಿಪಣಿ ನಾಮ ಆಪಣ, ಒಂದು ಶಾಪ್ ಇದೆ, ಒಂದು ಅಂಗಡಿ ಇದೆ. ಪಾರ್ಶ್ವೇ ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಸಮೀಪದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸ್ಥಿತಸ್ಯ ವಟವೃಕ್ಷಸ್ಯ, ನಿಯರ್ ಟು ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಒನ್ banyan tree was there. Under that Upavishya, after sitting under that ಛಾಯಾಯಾಂ ಉಪವಿಶ್ಯ, under that shadow, there sat. Saha grahakan pratīkṣate, he is waiting for his customers. That time what is happening? Tasmin marge to adinam jananam pravaha. In that path, in that way. Yes, adinam means full day. Yes, jananam pravaha, so many people are going like a pravaha, like a flood, water is coming like that. Marge vividhaha apana, on that way so many shops. Kastana chanaka vanik janan kantu pakwan chanakan kretum prabodhayati. What are they telling? Kastana chanaka vanik, some is shopkeeper. Janan kandu pakwan chanakan kretum prabodhayati. Prabodhayati means encourage. Yes, come here, very nice. Yes, seeds are there, that means groceries are there, chanaka, groceries. Yes, tandula, can call, akki, idella ide. Yes, etad ritya vadati. Tasmat chanakam kritva kechana parshvasthat jyotishikat swabhagya lekham prichanti. What happened? From that shop they are buying that chanaka, means seeds or grocery. Then near to that shop this person is sitting, so they are coming there and asking their luck, whether it is good luck or bad luck, like that they are asking. Jyotishigascha chanaka bharjanagnehe jyotisha eva suryastantaram karyam nirvahati. What are they doing? Jyotishigascha, that astrologer also. Chanaka Bharjanagnehe means in front of that shop only. Jyotisha eva is by his astrology. That only is Suryasta Anantaram after sunset also. Yes, Karyam Nirvahati is doing his work after sunset also. Yes, okay. How he is doing? Because that shops outside one light was there. Because that light is falling upon this place also. They are doing that. Jyotishasya leshamapi ajanan api. Yes, little also you don't know astrology. At that moment also, Jyotishakaha uhavihi nishritena sahaja jnanena janan bhavishyam vadati. Astrologer with his own guessing. Yes, so sahaja jnana is normal knowledge which is there. By using those things, jananam bhavishyam vadati, will tell the future of the human. Tathapi janaha tasya vachanai tushyanti. Yes, still those people are getting very happy by hearing his words, his futuring telling words. Purvam to swapne abhitena na chintitam asit. Before that astrologer didn't think about that he is going to become an astrologer. Yes, that condition made him to select this job. Yat kadapi bhavini jivane jyotishiko bhaveyam. In future, that means in his life, he didn't think at all he is going to become an astrologer. ग्रामे एव यदि वासः कृतः स्यात् तर्हि सः पूर्वजवत् कृषिक एव अभविष्यति. If he is living in Grama, in his native place, yes, if he is living at that place means now he is a normal farmer over there. Yes, nobody going to identify. Yes, parantu vidhina anyadeva nishchitam asit, but by the Creator decide something different. Yes, nishchitam asit. It's decided. Bandhunapi anuktva tena griham parityajya laghu pattanam agatam. He didn't tell to his relatives also. Bandhunam anuktva, without telling. Yes, after without telling for his relatives. Yes, without telling. Tena griham, by that astrologer is by that person. Griham parityajya, after leaving his house, laghu pattanam agatam, he came to a small city. Ananya gatikataya tena katachita jyotishika vrittihi ashrita atra. Yes, without any invest there is no money also. There is no other way. He saw. Finally he selected this job. Yes, ananya gatikaya, ಬೇರೆ ಗತಿ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಅವನಿಂದ ಈ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಷಿಕ ವೃತ್ತಿ, ಭವಿಷ್ಯ ಹೇಳುವಂತಹ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. ತ್ರಿಯಾಮಾಯಾಹ ದ್ವಿತೀಯೇ ಯಾಮೇ ಚಣಕ ವಣಿಕ ತದ್ದಿನಸ್ಯ ವಾಣಿಜ್ಯಂ ಸಮಾಪ್ಯ ಭರ್ಜನಾಗ್ನಿಂ ಶಮಯಿತ್ವಾ ಗೃಹಂ ಪ್ರತಿ ಪ್ರಸ್ಥಿತಃ. What happened? Triyamayaah dvitiye yame. Yes, so night. Yes, they will tell yama. Yes, so daytime 8 yamas will be there, night time 8 yamas will be there. So total 16 yamas they are telling. Here they are telling Triyamayaah dvitiye yame. Yes, once again they divided into this yama. So at night, first yama finished, second yama going to finish. At that moment, that shopkeeper of the light is Bharjanagni. Bharjanagni means though this their lamp is firing out electricity. Is Agni Shamayitva, is make him to stop, to burn. Griham Pati Prasthita, he went to his house. एतेन ज्योतिषकस्य कार्यक्षेत्रे अंधकारः आवृतः. By this, that astrologer sitting near to that, no, he didn't get the brightness, so darkness. So he thought that now here sitting is no use. अतः सः स्ववस्तूनि स्यूते स्थापयितुम् उद्युक्तः. At that moment, he started to put all the things in his bag. तावता कश्चित् पथिकः विश्रान्तिम् इच्छन् वटवृक्षम् उपगतः. At that moment, some traveler came near that tree to take rest. Now what happened? अहो अत्र ग्राहकत्वस्य स्वभावः इति मत्वा ज्योतिषिकः पान्थम् अवदत्. At that moment, this astrologer is there, no? Jyotishaha. Yes, he thought that some customer came. I should take advantage of this. Iti matva, after thinking that Jyotishaha panthanam avadatu, that astrologer told to that traveler, Atyantam shrantosi, you are very tired. Margayasa nivaranartham kinchit sambhashana. Is to remove your tiredness, little will speak. Like that he told. Etena krodhavishtaha pantha. By this, that traveler got a little angry. Who is this speaking person? Karam pantha karam tasya netrayoho purataha grihitva. Yes, he showed his hand like this. See, tell my bhavishya. Kimatmanam jyotishikam manyase. Yes, you are thinking me as a astrologer, approach like that. Jyotishika tasya karam andhakare drashtum prayatamana. Yes, at that time dark is there. In between dark also he tried to see his palm. Bhavataha bhagyarekha. Yes, your lucky lines are there. Yes, iti uktva arabhata. Like that he started to tell. Madhye eva tasya vachanam khandyan. See that. Middle itself, that traveler stopped his sentence. Sahapatikah, that traveler told, Kinchit vishesham vada. Something new you tell. Yes, everyone are telling that you are bhagya rekha. What is that bhagya? Tell something special. Mama vachanaihi yadi tushtihi syat tarhi vimshati rupyakani diyantam. Yes, iti avadatu Jyotishika. The astrologer told, if you are get very happy by listening my words, you should give 20 rupees. Bhavatu param aham asantushtah chet tvaya api vimshati rupyakani pratitatavyah. If I am not happy by your words, you should give me 20 rupees. Iti abrat, like that he told. Pantha means traveler, told like that. Yavat saha dhoomavartikam prajvalayat tavat muhurtam pathikasya mukham jyotishikena lakshitam. See, this is the turning point. What? Okay, till, yes, he started to light the matchstick and lighting the dhoomavartika, cigarette. Yes, at that moment, this astrologer saw his face. Yes, pathikasya mukham jyotishikena lakshitam. By the astrologer seeing that face. Jyotishika kinchita vyagratam anvabhut. Yes, so that astrologer got scared. Vyagrata, something different situation for him. Yes, surprise, fear, sad, everything came together for his mind. That anvabhut, that experience he got. Aho vilambah jataha aham gantavyam mayam. Immediately he told, yes, it is very late, I should go now. Bhavadiyani rupyakani pratyarpayami tavat. Which money you gave, I will give back to you. Ityuktva shritam sikritya utthatum udyuktaha Jyotishika. Yes, immediately that astrologer stood up to go away from that place. Pathikaha balena tasya hastam grihitva marge gachantam mam साग्रहम् आहूतवान् त्वम् इदानीं किं स्वयमेव पलायसे इति अवदत्. Yes, so that traveler is, holded his hand and yes, after holding told that I am going on way. You only called me and want to talk with me. Yes, you have invited me to talk. Now, why are you running from here? Yes, tasya hasta nikaden baddha chautishka ishat akampata. Yes, when he hold his hand, he got scared and body full shape. Yes, akampata. Adya mastu shvaha vadishyami iti abravit. Today don't want, tomorrow I will tell. Like that he told. Naiva tvaya vachanam dattva dhanam swikritam nanu. Yes, you promised me and told that I will tell. Yes, okay. Mama ekasyaiva prashnasya uttaram. My one question answer you tell. Then you can. Kimaham mama anveshane safalo bhaveyam. Yes, whether I am able to success in my search. I am searching for somebody. Yes, I will become success in that. Iti krodhena aprachyat patika. Like that, that traveler told with full of anger. Na na iti vadan jyotishka avochat. No, no, you won't get success. Yes, purvam bhavataha prana samatam apatam asit. Now that astrology is telling. Before once your life was there in a danger, isn't it? Then he is traveling saying, tataha. Yes, tataha, from that. Churikaya vidirnaha asihi tvam. Yes, somebody came and knife is put inside your stomach. Yes, that is happened now. Athakim, what else? Pashya. Iti vadan vakshasaha kshataha chinnam pradarshayat panta. Sideways. He shoot like this. Yes, see the mark. Yes, somebody came and they are hit with the knife. Yes, anantaram tvam tena vidirna kartra samipasthe kupe patitaha. Yes, after that fell in the kupa well. Yes, ಬಾವಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿದ್ದಲ್ವಾ. ತ್ವಂ ಮೃತ ಇತಿ ಪರಿಭಾವ್ಯ ಸಹ ಕ್ವಾಪಿ agacchati. He thought that you died. Yes, with that he thought and ran away from that place. Ma'am, kupe patitam ma'am. Yes, I fell in that well. Yes, yadi kaschid pipasitaha pathikaha na adrakshat. If somebody thirsty person, if didn't see that well, amruta eva bhavishya. Yes, definitely that day I died in that well itself. Vada kada ahantam pashyayam. Tell me, then I can see that person who hit me through the knife. Pratikaram cha sadheyam. I will take the revenge of that. Iti mushti bandhanam kurvan sarosham avadat pathikaha. Yes, like that he told with the folded his finger and kurvan sarosham with full of angry. That traveler told. That time what happened? This astrologer is telling. See what he is telling? He is telling, yes, don't think like that. Paralokeva. He went to Paraloka. What is the meaning of Paraloka? That means he died. He went to hell or Swarga. Saha durasthe pattane chaturbhyaha masebhyaha purvam mrutaha. Yes, for one Pattana is there, one city is there. In that city, yes, 4 months back only he died. Asmin janmani tu tvam tam punaha na pashye eva. In this your birth, in this your janma, you can't see that person. Iti tena ukte, like that he told, anirvedam shabdam akarotu pathikaha. Yes, so that pathika, that traveler, missed, like that he told. Jyotishikas vachanam anvavartayata. That the astrologer continued his sentence, speech. Gurunayakaha iti khalu tava nama. Your name is Gurunayaka, no? Mama nama katham janas? How you know my name? It is Ashcharyam aprachita patikaha. It is full of surprise that patikaha, that traveler, asked. Aham sarvam janami Gurunayaka, mama kathanam savadhanam shruno. Adya ratrau eva reilyanena gramam prati pratishthatam. Itah param yadi tvam gramat nirgacchehe tarhi tava punaha prana sankatam bhavet iti bhati. He told that now only you have to get away from this village. Yes, you go with the Railyanina. By train you go to your grama village, then you should not come out from your village. If you come out, once again you will get, yes, your life is going to be there in the danger. किमर्थं पुनः ग्रामनिर्गच्छेयं तं कदाचित् पश्येयं स्वहस्ताभ्याम् एव तस्य कण्ठं सम्पीड्य हन्याम् इति एकमात्रा लक्ष्येण ग्रामात् ग्रामं भ्रमामि सः तु मम हस्तात् च्युतः इति वदन् ज्योतिषकस्य हस्ते कानिचित् धनपात्राणि निक्षिप्य गुरुनायकः निर्गतः. So why I have to come out of the village? I just came out from my village because to search that person. Yes, I want to see. I want to do like this neck. I have to bind out. So for that I am going this village, another village, another village. Yes. So now he left. Yes, this universe. So I am not able to get him. Yes, my hand from my hand he missed. Yes, hastat chitah, he missed from my hand. So there is no need to go out of this village. So like that he told and went from that place. Yavat Jyotishiken graham praptam tavata madhyaratrah upastitah. When that astrologer reached the home, it will be the midnight. Tasya patni dware eva sthitva tam pratikshate sma. His wife is waiting for him. Saha bhojananantaram kate upavishyavat. After eating bhojanam, dinner, yes, on the mat, he told everything to his wife. Aye adya mama kaschana mahan bharah vyapagataha pranahana rupam mahapapam kritavan aham iti chinta etavanti varshani sarvada mam athate sma. तदर्थमेवा गृह परित्यज्य अत्र आगत्य वासः आरब्धः मया परन्तु सः जीवति इति अद्य ज्ञातम्. Yes, in once upon a day, yes, in village, actually I left that village because of this fear. Which fear? Yes, I only hit that. Yes, with the angry. Yes, I thought, yes, I did mistake. I killed one person. For that sake, he came out of the village. Yes, now he is alive. Yes, so by seeing that, yes, now he is relaxed. Yes, tensionless because he didn't die. Yes, so like that he told to his wife. So all this happening in olden days. Then what happened? Okay, Bhavan kim kinchit marayitum prayatnam akarot purvam kadachit iti bhayena apruchat patni. With full of angry, yes, his wife asked, yes, why you are, yes, that much level, that much stage you reached? Yes, why you are killing other person? Bhavan kim kinchin marayitum prayatnam. Why you try to kill other? Yes, mama grame tada aham yavvana madonmantah. I was at young age. Yes, that much ahankara was there, eagerness was there. Tena saha kalaha pravratah, I fought along with him. Tada sa durghatana, that bad incident happened. Idanim tu nidra samaya, now it is a sleeping time, we will sleep. Iti uttva dirmbham krutva kade shayanam akarot jyotishika. Like that he told and slept upon mat. So like this condition is going to come. Yes, then they gave the shabdartha syutaha, bag, kaparda, that is kavaris, that is kavade, vipanimargaha, that market road, all those things. Then Adinam, whole day, Apanaha shop, Kanakaha, bangle, grams grocery, Kandukapakwa, well fried one, Bhaviyam, it is with the link made happening. It's Pantaha as passer by that means traveler. Vidirnaha is Kataha mad, Jumbha yawning and sleeping. So then we are getting Jyotishikaha Putra where he sat. Means Chanakan Kretum Kaha Janan Prabodhe, who is motivating to take this Chanaka. Janaha Kasya Vachani Hidushati, by whose words, by whose words is people are get happy. Is Jyotishika Gram Paritiju Kutra Agatva, where he came after leaving his village. Pathikasya Namadhyaya, what is the name of the traveler? Jyotishika Kutra Shainam Akru, where that Jyotishika slept. Yes, then the 10 sentence answer Jyotishikasya Purva Jivana Vrittantaha, the background of astrologer. You have tried. Jyotishakasya Samaya Prajna, the time sense of the astrologer. What is gimmick technique he used to send that person. Jyotishika Guru Nanak Yoga Samvada, conversation between those people that we have to explain. Then, so all these things are there. Then, who told to whom? Pathanama, first you have to write the lesson name, then you have to write who told to whom. Kaha, Kampati, Abadat, Bharataha, all those very easy. Next, Rekhankitani Padani Ashtrikya, Prashna Nirmana, frame question. This is also easy. You can do very easily. Okay, so like this, you can complete the 7th chapter, very easy one, very small chapter, you can able to understand. Yes, सर्वे सम्यक् रीत्या पठन्तु, सम्यक् रीत्या प्रश्नस्य उत्तराणि लिखित्वा प्रेषयन्तु। सर्वेभ्यः धन्यवादः।